All right. Hey guys, this is Justin Hatch. I'm excited for this opportunity to share with you a little bit about my career choice of becoming a counseling psychologist. And I'll further explain to you what that is, and hopefully you guys find this enjoyable and maybe learn something new from it as well. So, just to get started with a little job description of what a counseling psychologist does, um, most of all, their role is to help individuals that do have mental and emotional health issues and to strengthen them and to spend time with them and provide a support plan for them. And this can be achieved through many different ways. The most common of those psychological concepts and psychotherapeutic techniques are things such as cognitive behavior therapy, psychodynamic therapy, and eclectic therapy. And just to move on to a few of the duties of what a counseling psychologist is involved in, those duties include providing support and helping those with psychological challenges, supporting individuals to help them maintain a healthy psychological lifestyle, and also one of the other key roles is it's important to be able to counsel with others and make appropriate goals, and then also for us as counseling psychologists to make detailed reports on these as well. Furthermore, we look into educational requirements and what that all entails. And for the most part, to work in as a counseling psychologist, one will need a doctoral degree. There's very few places around the world that would accept a master's degree without some other form of support to back it as well. But most of all, a doctoral degree is required, and also along with that, licensure for the required state in which you desire to work in is also required. And so a little bit about my 4-year plan. I'm a junior right now at BYU, Idaho. So I plan to graduate with a bachelor's degree in psychology in 2 years and then move on to grad school and obtain a master's degree in 4 years. And also included in my 4-year plan, I'd love to be able to take in an internship within those 4 years. And while I'm not going to school, obtain work in a related field that will help me provide for my future family as well. Some of the reasons and why I chose the field of psychology, and more specifically counseling psychology, I have a really strong desire to help others, and not only to help others but to give back. With the way things are going, more and more people are needing help all the time, and if that's one area that I can be of benefit and to serve others, that's one area that I would love to help out in and to give back in some way. On top of that, just a lot of situations of people I know who have struggled and haven't found the help that they need, and if I can be there to support not only those who stand in need but those who are close to me, that would be a huge benefit as well. And in addition to that, also it's obviously important to provide for your future family and to have a secure job, and I felt that this was an appropriate field to do so. In comparison with some of the other reasons found in chapter 13 of the text, I was able to relate to a lot of them in quite a few different ways. Some of them were very common, having a strong desire to help others, maintaining a secure job for the future, becoming a counseling psychologist as a profession. Those were all very inclusive of what I wanted to do. And so hopefully you guys learn a little bit more about me and my desire to become a counseling psychologist. And that is the end of my slideshow. Thanks for watching, guys.